Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first edition in the Consciousness, NeuroScience, and the Soul series. If you would like to have the ability to demonstrate the reality of the soul without using the Bible, stay tuned. Do not be deceived by those who claim that the soul does not exist. We will attempt to make this video very simple and easy to understand. First, we must know what the meaning of a substance, a property, a state, and an event is. Substance. A substance is a thing. Example, metal is a substance, wood is a substance, plastic is a substance, etc. Property. A property is an attribute or a detail of a substance. So a substance is the item that can have properties or details. Examples would be metal is a substance that has the property of hardness, or the color gray, or heaviness, or rectangular, etc. So in short, a substance is an item, and properties are details about the item. Example, a billiard ball is a substance that contains properties. The substance can be ivory, or marble, or celluloid, or plastic, etc. The properties or details that the billiard ball has would be round, smooth, heavy, hard, etc. Properties can be had by a substance, but a property cannot have multiple substances. Again, a substance can contain multiple properties, heavy, soft, fluffy, green, but a property cannot contain substances. The substance is the underlying item that contains the properties or details. Now, to help us get a better understanding of substances and properties, let us replace the word substance for item, and replace the word property for detail. An item can have many details, but details cannot have many items. Example, heavy is a detail. Heavy cannot have metal or cement, but metal can have the detail of heaviness, and cement can also have the detail of heaviness. So items can have details, but details cannot have items. The items contains the details, and different details can come and go. Metal can have the detail of hardness, but when heated up it becomes soft. The metal changes details. So remember, a substance is an item, and a property is a detail. Let us practice. When I count to 3, I want you to think of a substance. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Have you thought of a substance? Very good. Now think of properties that your substance has. Did you think of properties or details that your substance has? Very good. Okay, now that you know what substances are, wood, metal, water, etc., and you know what properties are, heavy, hard, green, round, etc., we must learn what a state and what an event is. A state is a substance with properties that does not change. A state is an item that has details. Now an event is a substance with properties, and the substance changes properties. An example would be a leaf that is green is in one state, then an event happens. The leaf turns brown. The leaf changes from one state into another state. So an event is the changing of one state into another state. The leaf is a substance that has the property of green. The event is when the leaf changes properties of green and brown. So the leaf has gone from one state into another state. So an event has taken place. Let us practice. When I count to 3, I want you to think of a substance or an item. 1, 2, 3. Did you think of a substance? Very good. Now I want you to think of properties or details that your substance has. Did you think of properties that your substance has? Very good. Now I want you to think of this substance changing properties. Did you think of this substance changing properties? Very good. You now know what an event is. Congratulations. And thank you very much for your attention. This information that you have learned will be very useful in your future endeavors, and feel free to watch this video as many times as necessary. Also, stay tuned for the next episode as we unfold the topics of consciousness, neuroscience, and the soul.